Hey, it's Cheryl again. Today I have a serious question for you. How many views have you missed out on just because of a bad thumbnail? Yep, that one tiny graphic can literally kill your video before it even gets a chance for anybody to see it. But here's the good news, fixing it doesn't have to be hard. In fact, it can be fast, simple, and even fun to do. I have a lot of fun creating thumbnails. So if you're struggling with low click through rates, poor retention, or just videos that don't get picked up by the YouTube algorithm, stick with me. I'm going to show you how to make your thumbnails work for you, not against you, and how to be seen on these YouTube streets. Now, let me ask you this. Why did you click on this video? hmm It was probably because of the thumbnail, right? That image caught your eye, it sparked your curiosity, and it hit an emotion. That's the same way it's going to happen to your audience. That's exactly the kind of power I want to help you unlock. And yes, I use the same tools I'm about to show you in this video to make that thumbnail. Let's talk numbers for a second. YouTube literally rewards high click through rates. Yes, they do. If people aren't clicking, you're not getting views. No views, no ad revenue, no watch time, no growth. It's just simple as that. And for those of you who are monetized, like I am, or on the way to be monetized, that means you could be leaving real money on that table. Here's the thing, coming up with a powerful thumbnail isn't easy. I must confess, when I started, it was hard. You have to tell a story, though, in a split second with just an image and a few words. That's not easy for everybody. Most of us try to DIY it. We stare at the canvas screen for hours, which I used to do. We overthink the fonts, the colors, the faces, the expressions, and we still come up short. That's where tools like ChatGPT, Pixels, Leonardo, Canva, and vidIQ come in. With ChatGPT, I generate powerful thumbnail prompts that focus on storytelling and emotion. That's what people are looking for. And then I feed those prompts into Pixels or Leonardo or vidIQ to get stunning scroll stopping visuals. Canva helps me add bold text to the thumbnail fast. And vidIQ, not only do they have a brand new thumbnail creator, which I love, I adore, but they also show me exactly what's ranking. It gives me a score. So I know what works before I even design a thing. In one test, I gave all five tools the same prompt, a dramatic, heart wrenching cheating scenario between a husband, a wife, and a young lady. The results? Each tool delivered something different, but every single one told a compelling story. And most importantly, each version of those thumbnails was clickable, every one of them. I even split tested two versions, and the one with a clearer emotional hook got nearly double the clicks and double the views. These tools didn't just help me make better thumbnails, they helped me make them faster in less time than I used to. I stopped spending hours trying to guess what might work or if it will work. Now I follow a system: emotion plus storytelling, simplicity. These tools help me get there without the stress and in less time, as I told you. Imagine this, you post your next video and it actually gets traction. Views roll in, people click without hesitation. You finally feel like you're seen. That starts with the thumbnail. That's the first thing people see, and you don't want to be lost in a sea of competing thumbnails. So people that just scroll by and leave you there, you want yours to stand out amongst your competitors, and they won't stand out without the right tools. Trust me on this. If you're ready to level up your click through rate and stop wasting hours on guesswork, it is time to be armed with the tools that work. I can attest to these tools that I mentioned. And I've listed all the tools I use in the description below. And yes, some of them are affiliate links. So I do get a small commission, but it's at no extra cost to you. And more importantly, you get better results and more of your time back to do other things. Because thumbnails is not just it. And if you haven't already, watch my full tutorial where I show you exactly how I use each of these tools in real time, sharing my screen. Make thumbnails that tell a story, that spark emotion, that are dramatic and engaging, and that gets clicked. To help you get started, I invite you to download my free video planning guide and free viral video cheat sheet. And if you are serious about taking your channel to the next level, check out my YouTube Creator Starter Kit and ebook about how to create a successful Faces channel. Both of them are the links are in the description. And make sure to also check out the thumbnail creation tools that I have listed and talked about. They are in the description. This is your moment. Take charge of this. This is your channel and you need to improve. If you're not improving, what sense does it make? And if you're not growing, you're going to want to quit, right? Am I right? And we have already established, I should say, that thumbnails are important. It's like the first impression, making the first impression so that people can see that you are serious about your channel and you put work into it. You don't want to just slap up any old thumbnail or take a screenshot and use it as a thumbnail. That doesn't work on YouTube. Not on these YouTube streets, honey. That ain't work anymore. You want to look like a professional. You want your thumbnails to look professional and to look like you know what the hell you're doing. And in order to do that, you have to use tools. Yes, you might be creative where you go on Canva and right away your creative juices start flowing, but it's not for everybody. Everybody can't do that because I'm not well, I realize that I have a little bit of creativity inside of me, but I'm not 100% creative like that. I need help. And so that's why I had to go get these tools to help me. Yes, and I have a paid Canva account because sometimes when you go to Canva and you're a free member, there are certain fonts and images that you want to use and they're paid. And so you have to bypass that and use the free stuff and then you're just going to be like average. I don't want to be average. I want to look like I know what I'm doing. And I suggest that you do the same. I hope this pep talk helped you. I hope this video was valuable to you. And if so, please hit that subscribe button, the like button, and that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Yes, I'm talking to you. Come back and share and let me share what I have learned over my journey over at my other channel, True Travel Treasures, where I have 47,000 more than 47,000 subscribers and I'm doing well. So, and but I had to learn things on my own. So that's why I'm doing this video to share with you so that you don't make all those mistakes that I made. Because I don't want you to quit. You're going to stay here right on these streets because we need you. People need you. There are people who are watching and waiting and ready to watch your videos. But you have to showcase your videos like a billboard. Yeah. Like they're about to watch a movie. Uh-huh. That's what you got to do, and you have to stand out and be different. And that's why I want you to go watch my full tutorial where I explain everything. I share my screen, I show you everything, I walk you through everything. And the link will be in the description. Go watch it. And oh, by the way, if you feel so inclined to want to support my channel, please click that super thanks button in the comment section and I will make sure I highlight your comment so you can feel extra special. I would appreciate the gesture and thanks in advance for doing so. And go ahead and download my free downloads that will help you get started and get you on the way to being a successful YouTuber. Remember now, it's not for you, it's for the audience that's waiting for you to do something about your thumbnails. You better go do it. Use the tools and do it. Take care now. I am your host, Cheryl. Saying bye for now, but only for now. Until next time. See you, my friend.